the foot and your knee towards to the elbows. Might be not possible for everyone to holding the leg like this because of the tightness of your hips. So we can modify this pose. You can hold the leg, okay, like this, and you can adjust the knee, then lift your leg, and then start your movement. Even people can hold like this as well. You can adjust like this, but keep your chest open as much as possible. Then give this movement. So couple of times, like 15-20 times, it will help you to open the hip more and more. Okay? Then after that, release the leg, and same process with the other side. So I will show you this side complete. Adjusting this, chest lifting up, adjusting your foot, and then a stretch will gonna begin from the now, beginning, then begin. 1, 2, couple of times you can do this. Normal breathing. Keep your spine straight and move your torso with your knee. Where your knees is going, your torso will move there. Okay? Then exhale slowly. Keep the leg here. Inhale and exhale. Adjust your hand to your leg and bring it closer to your chest. It will give a bit more deeper stretch. Then slowly exhale, release. And again we will do the butterfly posture. Now the legs a bit warmed, pelvic is warmed. Now we came to the Baddha Konasana practice. You can take the help of a block if you don't have, no problem. Okay, so we can adjust this block under our feet. This will help us, you can see, it will help us to giving more range so we can move our thighs more down. If you need, you can adjust your hands and then pressing them down. Okay, it will help you to go a bit more deeper. You can hold the feet and then pressing your knees more down. Breathe. This is for the people who can go a bit further, okay, so they can use the block. Otherwise, we have to stay in the butterfly posture normally. Spine straight. Then inhale. Adjust your hands on the floor. Exhale. Walk by hands slowly, slowly, slowly. Make sure you're not rounding yourself. Okay, trying to keep your back straight. Your spine should be fully straight. Chest should be completely open. Doesn't matter how far you are going. Your chest should be completely open. Okay, spine is straight. You can say it on the sideways, like here. Just keep your spine straight from the beginning till end. Walking down, walking down, walking down. Okay, it's not necessary. You do not have to loosen your back and do not round yourself. So make sure spine is completely straight, chest is completely open. Doesn't matter how far we are going. Okay, so that much is also perfect. This is also very good. But make sure spine is straight. More deeper effect is happening towards to the hip. And who can go more further, they can go more further on the posture. Then from here, after a couple of breaths, you're reaching there, 4 to 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale. You have to move towards to the right side. So you can loosen the left side of the waist. Your hip can open more. Do not raise the left buttock from the floor. Keep it on the floor. Inhale, you come back to the center, and exhale, moving to other side. Make sure the hip is not coming up. Maintain this down, chest is open, spine is straight, your abdomen is going towards your thighs, and then you're going down. Inhale, slower, come back. One more time, exhale, folding forward. Then slowly coming back. And exhale, hug your knees. Just resting here for a while. You can come to the tabletop position. Okay. The tabletop position should be right. Okay. Your shoulder should be under your wrist. Wrist should be under your shoulders, knees under your hips, neutral your back. Then from here, keep your knees together this time. Okay. Now, inhale, foot flex and lift the right leg. Keep pressing your both hands. It should not shifting the weight to other hip. Otherwise, it will give the outer movement to your hip, which can create the pain as well. Okay. So better to maintain. It will help you to work on your core as well together. Okay. Maintain the weight, pressing the hands. Inhale, foot flex and lift the leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 8 to 10 times. We'll do here a couple of times, but you have to practice it 8 to 10 times. Same with other side. 1. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay. The next movement will be the hip rotation. So from here, inhale, opening the hip, exhale down. This is also a very good hip opener. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Going through this movement. Reverse also, not only outer side. You have to do it in both directions. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the leg. First outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and